Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have, well, quite a well-used alpha padlock, a little 40mm padlock. It's clearly seen some use in its time. Look at the pitting and corrosion on its shackle and the patina on that all brass body. Works really smoothly though. It might have had a tough life, but it certainly is still in really good operational order. It was lent to me by my good friend Yukov, and the bitting is interesting. It's a little 4-pin lock with a club-like bitting, probably a zero lift cut on number 1 and then some high cuts in positions 2, 3 and 4. So yeah, little Japanese padlock. I believe that alpha is Japanese. If you know better than I do, please let me know in the comments. And let's throw this in a little vise and have a go. I always plunder my friend Yukov's locks because he just has some really interesting ones, just like this one. Okay, so let's have a go. So make sure that's nice and tight. And I'm going to go in with a gem and just see what we've got. So pin 4, pin, that felt like 2, on pin 1, oh, a little movement on pin 1, just going back through here and seeing, oh, just touch pin 1 again and we are open. Oh, the shackle did just pop once I released the vice straws. I wonder why that is. They should have had good clearance, but maybe it just was a bit sticky. But yeah, clearly it's open. So not a particularly high security lock, but nevertheless, it's got its own charm, doesn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. If you have a comment about this lock or want to correct me about the origins of this alpha brand, then please do so in the comments. I read them all and reply to as many as I can, and I'll see you all next time.